it's Hadris with WTI, and look at this Bestway brand inflated machine that I have. It comes with 3 additional adapters of different size, and this is the button that keeps it on and off. To use the adapters, we only have to add the center one with a little force, and to this we can put one of the other two, either the large one or the small one. It has a good size, stands on its own a flat surface, and can help us inflate things like floaties or beds. We can unroll it and take it everywhere, for example in this small backpack, thanks to its comfortable size. As you can see, I was able to inflate this float in just 3 minutes. The power cord is long and will assist us with larger inflatables. And that's my point of view.